No.
Can we talk about like we care about love? You know, I know, you know, yeah, yeah. Nothing burns like a cold day.
What's up, guys? TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of MVMT Movement Watch. I purchased from MVMTWatches.com. And we're going to do an unboxing and we're going to talk a little bit about it. So let's get to it. So the first thing I want to talk about was the actual packaging of this watch. Is very, very premium. It comes in a black on black watch box, as you can see here. And this first part is, of course, paper. The second part is like a hard, it's some kind of hard box, and it has a leather-esque feel on the front of it. So I know some people may think this is insignificant, but it's always awesome to have a really good place to store your watches. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, on the inside, it has a welcome note, and it has a couple different messages. It has a share code for 15% off, and if somebody orders, you get a $15 in-store credit. That's always good. And you can also purchase additional straps, which I did not purchase for this watch, which I should have, but I didn't. Like I said, this is a really, I don't know if you can hear that, this is a hard box. It also comes with a little pamphlet, and these are the instructions. The series watch that I got was the Chrono series. It's a 45 millimeter. It has a 12 millimeter case thickness. The strap width is 22 millimeters. The movement is battery powered 6-hand chronograph, and it also has the date. The glass is a hardened mineral crystal, and it has a water resistance of 5 ATM. So this, just looking at this watch right now, it's the minimalist design is really what brought me to this actual series of watch from Movement, because I like really sleek, slender build. I don't really like anything that's like too bulky. I don't like a watch that is flashier than the clothes. You want it to be an accessory, you know what I mean? So this watch does a really good job of giving you that minimalist feel. It feels really good in the hand. It's really light, but it feels like quality. The leather strap is changeable. It looks like it has a little pin here that you can remove, and you can swap out the band. So I'm going to order some additional bands for this. I just have not yet. It does have 3 chronometer dials on here, as well as the large dial around it. It does not have any numbers or anything, but it does, like I said, have a very minimalist design. Also on the back, it has the stainless steel markings, as well as the 5 ATM water resistance. So this is going to be a watch that you can wear every day. You can pair with a bunch of different outfits, and you can really stand out with this watch. So I purchased this watch for $135. It is available at MVMT.com. I will put a link to it in the description section below, and also I'm going to put a link to it in the first comment video. And also, this watch, like I said, is from the Chrono series. It's the 45mm gunmetal black. One other thing I want to talk about this watch is the pricing of it. So I have a lot of other watches that I purchased that are very expensive, and I think in the realm of the quality of this watch, it's priced at a very good price point, $135. That's a very reasonably priced for the quality that you're getting. So this watch right here is going to be a really good gift for either him or her. MVMT Movement has two different styles of watches. They of course have men's and they have women's. You can check out their Instagram account. The men's watches are going to be at MVMT, and for the women watches it's going to be at MVMT for her. And I will put those links as well in the description section below. Like I said before, this is a very minimalist design. It doesn't look too big on your wrist. It looks really sleek and slim, but also fashionable. I like the all black design with the dial hands, actually, with the pop of color. But it has really good movement, no pun intended. And I just really love all the little details. I think I'm going to get a lot of compliments about this watch because of the way that it looks, and I will definitely send people to the MVMT website to purchase their own movement watch. So that is going to be all for my review today of this watch. I am, like I said, planning on getting some different color straps. I'm probably going to get the tan or khaki color band for this as well, because it's going to be, this is really good for a day-to-day watch band, but when I'm at work, I think I like the tan color more. That go better with my khaki pants. But if you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and please go check out the movement website, mvmt.com. Like I said, it will be in the comment section below and also in the description. And have a great day, guys.